I can get a picture of it finally. It's close.
Negative Ghost Rider, the pattern is full. Can you even hear that music? Is that his phone?
Yeah. He put it on for us.
Is that your ringtone?
He's got SpongeBob on there.
Look at that.
At least you guys don't get to go on the SpongeBob ride.
Huh?
I do.
SpongeBob, he got the SpongeBob.
Things hands free.
I don't get to go on the SpongeBob ride, but I do.
Alright, Mickey's back up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's give him a chance at least, or it's not trying to constantly pull away from the field.
That's how Ty set it up.
Put it on the roof, Nicky! Attaboy, Nicky! Forget about the curveball. And the heater. Oh, Daddy. Nice. Lower roll. Lower to the ground.
You know, for a guy that hasn't been out here in like 2 years,
It's impressive.
It's like riding a bike.
Yeah, that's what that one guy says. Once you learn, though, it's okay. It's hard, but once you learn, it's like riding a bike. You'll never forget.
That's some thick stuff.
Keith, did you read those frickin' comments on that fucking...
I didn't.
You gotta check it out later.
I was at
It's
work.
frickin' hilarious.
I was at work and I didn't have a chance to go through it.
There is some funny shit, man. People will look for any excuse to fucking tell other people about what's going on with this shit. Oh, we came in third, fifth, and top 10 the other year. Team Van Vancouver won. They lifted 25 pounds. With the same weight restrictions listed above.
Tree? Tree?
U.S. semis.
Who won that?
I don't know if I got a pop out of my seat.
They play Taiwan.
Yeah, it's United States and Taiwan in the final.
Daddy,
They
no
beat the
going
shit
out
out of
the
Texas,
field.
12-2.
Dad, no going out the field. He just went right out.
The ones with the two little Mexican kids.
I gotta pull my shit together.
They almost got taken out by Warner Robins. Nice, huh?
That was 10-10, huh?
10-10.
Little cloud climber, straight up, Dick.
That
Take
was
it straight
10-8,
up in the air.
tied it up 10-10.
I saw it.
And then the wild pitch in.
Look at that. Oh, wow. Exciting. Low level. Roll it. Roll it, roll it,
Nick's
roll
getting
it.
it back.
Roll it. Yeah.
Getting
One more
snappy.
roll, one more roll, one more roll. There you go. Lower rolls, lower rolls. Lower. Oh, yeah.
Got it, dude. You're back on fire.
You probably want to land and change the battery, Max.
He's got plenty of battery.
Plenty. Roll it. One more roll. Roll it. Right there, roll it. Oh! Why'd I do
He was
it?
coming in for a landing.
One more roll.
No, it's coming in for a crashing. Dad, it wasn't really coming in for a landing. It was
You got some more.
no.
Oh, you got a bent dick.
More glue.
Mom!
Strong like ox.
Yeah?
No, you're not. You're small.
Thank you. You don't have to keep saying it, though. I got the idea. Oh, my God.
You're so small.
So strong.
Hey, so small.
So
What do you think?
I got it. Jeez, Nick, you gotta tell me on that.
He's gonna do upside down straight now. You know it. He's running. The soccer players are running. Get back to him.
Plane obviously flies very well. Hang on.
I'm gonna do it to Johnny.
What'd you throw at me?
Nothing.
I think he already knows.
It's got all the trim.
Oh God. Oh God. Still goes to the right?
No, turn to the left. I got it. Baby Tito style. Dude, if you'd have seen that guy get hit with the fucking helicopter yesterday.
Rolling.
Nice.
Basically, no, he took a thump to the fucking back of the head.
Who's that?
Never even saw
Some
it coming.
old guy. Never even saw it coming. He was bending over. He was right at the front of the flight line, getting ready to take off. He was plugging his battery in his airplane. And this fucking dirty guy. Literally dirty guy. He was dirty. He was flying a helicopter and he was coming in to land. And I think he flipped the guy in the left switch.
I found a better one than that.
So he had way more throttle. And it did dip.
This will be exciting.
Oh God.
The fence?
Oh my God, dude.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
That looks worse than she is.
You go Spider-Man?
Oh, then again.
You can fix it, Nick.
Did you get it all on video, Biz?
Oh
You
yeah.
gotta come in
Well,
with
not really the impact.
the
Whoa.
engine,
The engine? The thing's got an engine on it?
Yeah, don't let any gas leak out.
This, are you almost
playing
ready
an
for
engine?
it to tie?
Yeah, 2 seconds.